Hey guys, how's it going? So I'm all about doing unique vehicles when I come across them, so this one kind of falls into that category. This is what we got here. Yeah, so 2020 4x4 Beetle on off-road side-by-side. So this is my version of a Super Beetle. Okay, I'll read you the description. Fair size one here. Obviously wants 10 grand for this, no trades, he says. Price is firm at 10 grand. This is the ultimate side-by-side. 1973 VW Beetle built on a Jeep 4x4 powertrain. It states, this is all in capital letters, bulletproof off-road machine. Best part is that this is fully enclosed with a heater, strong Jeep heater. Not the Volkswagen one that never worked. Street legal, capable, lights, turn signals, wipers, even the wiper washer, all works. Beetle is actually a one owner car, and very solid. Floor is perfect. Jeep frame is perfect as well, no rust, rot. Solid chassis with leaf spring suspension, bulletproof design. Perfect vehicle for hunting season. I don't know if I would, hey, whatever. I would take maybe a quad or a side-by-side, but not this thing. Anyways. Would be awesome with a track kit in it in the winter. Automatic transmission, manual locking hubs, manual shift transfer case, straight 6, 4.2 liter. It's got a carb, Jeep motor, 115 horsepower. Even has power steering, so very easy to drive. Well built car. Rear trunk is where the original VW motor was, has all been boxed in and made into a trunk. Okay, all that being said, let's have a look at the pictures here. This thing actually looks like it's been well put together. I'm not going to really criticize the guy for much here. Well executed. He's got covered in mud there. It looks really, I gotta give the guy credit here. I mean, for what's been done to this thing, it looks well proportioned. It doesn't look like, you know, if you were to stick a 69 Chevelle on a Blazer chassis. And that, I mean, a lot of us think that doesn't look right, but whatever floats your boat, right? There's the back half there. I mean, it's pretty clean. I mean, like I said, I gotta give this guy credit for this thing. He could have done with, probably just kept all the pictures clean and stuff, but whatever. I mean, yeah, like I said, well proportioned. Just everything about it. There's a clean shot. I just can't help but think of Herbie the Love Bug every time I look at this thing. But yeah, like I said, dude, like everything looks, the way the bumpers were done and the wheels fit. I mean, not bad, really. I probably would have put like a step or something in here, but then again, depending on how tall you are, you might not need it. I mean, these are kind of low to the ground anyway, so. But it would kind of look cool with something maybe like this, like a bumper type step into this thing, maybe. I don't know. Acme power on the back. Pretty no frills. I mean, why would you want to go any further? I mean, just a basic little bar for a bumper. Got like a little tow hook on the back there. Yeah, I think I'm gonna give this guy a 10 out of 10 for sure on this thing. I'll give the ad a 10 out of 10 too. I mean, looks pretty decent. It's got like it's pretty cool how he did the vent there for like for the engine and rad and stuff. I guess. It's got a winch up front there. It's a pretty neat little rig. I wouldn't be ashamed to drive this thing, that's for sure. Clean inside. Yeah, it's just pretty basic. You don't really need much. It's a little fun toy to have. Drive around in the street. Probably get lots of looks in this thing, no doubt. This is about 2 hours away from me. Super Sport seats in it. Alright, so I like what he did with the interior on this thing. Nice comfortable seats, it looks like. I like what he did with the roof there. He put like that button style, whatever you call that, not too sure. But yeah, it looks pretty decent, I'd say. The engine compartment, everything looks like it's well executed in here. Again, we're just judging by pictures here, right, till you see it in person, but I don't know. From what I can tell, it looks like it was well put together. This is just underneath the hatch, obviously, the bonnet or whatever you want to call it, the hood. Yeah, just like I said, well proportioned. Looks like it's well built. It looks like it'd be fun to drive too, not gonna lie. I wouldn't mind taking a crack at that. 10K, I don't know. 10,000. I don't know. It's one of those things where he's probably got more than 10 grand tied up into it, and I'd say it's probably worth about 10 grand. There's a lot of modifications done to this thing, and yeah, I mean, he's probably got more than 10K tied up into it, so I'd say it's worth it. I don't know, let me know what you guys think, but yeah, I think that's all I'm going to do on this little bit here. Like I said, for what the pictures are and the ad, I'll probably give it a 10 out of 10 both ways there. Alright guys, thanks a lot for watching and cheers.